welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Sahiti, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go give a glance on all my videos, and if you genuinely like my channel, please go give a like and do subscribe. So in this video, I'll be talking about something really important and the most asked question on my Instagram. I will be sharing some really important information about the most or one of the most popular university, Geetam. I got my MBA seat in Geetam around March. It was a very fast procedure, like a one week procedure. So for students or for anyone who are willing to get into Geetam or who are interested in knowing about Geetam, it may be Hyderabad, Vizag or Bengaluru. I think this video will be quite helpful because I'll be sharing the most important information about the university. So without wasting any time, let's just get in the video. So the first or the basic question comes, how did I apply? So today I'll be talking about the procedure and the registration procedure I went through, and this is one of the most asked questions in my Instagram, that how did I get into my university and what was the registration as well as the application procedure. So yes, I'm going to share all this information with you. First of all, I was preparing for the ICET exam, and then as I was going through the universities, I received an ad of Geetam University in my Gmail. So I went through the university ad and I was quite interested, but I was not sure whether I would get a seat in it or not. Yeah, in securities. So I thought of all these things, and then I thought that I should obviously give a try at least. So I went through the procedure and I was least confident about it, but I was interested to apply for the university, so I went for it. The next step was I went to the prescribed or the given website and I chose the location, or I chose the campus I wanted, and then I went with the procedure. The procedure was as usual for the other universities. It was just the same. You had to complete all the details and you need to fill all the details as well, and you also need to provide all your certificates. But the main problem was the pandemic, which we all are facing. And because of the pandemic, I couldn't produce my degree certificates, but they were really kind to give me the duration of at least 1 month or 1.5 months. I guess it was 1.5 months. So for all the students who couldn't write their exams due to the pandemic and who had no degree certificate, they had a duration of at least 1.5 months. And I provided all the other certificates, and it was as easy as it. The next thing what happened was my application form was accepted by the Geetam University, luckily, and the exam dates were released as well. So I had to apply for the registration. I paid the registration fees, which was between 1,200 to 1,500 rupees. The Geetam University provides a separate portal for the payments, and you need to do the payment from that website itself, which is the Geetam website. I have done the payment through Nest mode, and they had another mode which I don't actually remember, but they only have these two types of payment modes. And then you need to choose one of them and you can just do the payment. As it is the pandemic situation, everything was done online. I had around 1 week for the exam, and a strange thing happened to me. I had to attend the interview before the exam, which doesn't happen. It should be right after the exam as of the schedule. I received a WhatsApp call, which was totally under their opinion, and I just had to follow it. So I received a WhatsApp call, and it was around for 10 minutes approximately. And my interview really went well, and they were quite friendly. And I happened to panic at first, but then they comforted me really good. The counselors and the senior most faculties will be taking the interview, and for me, the counselors were the one who took the interview, and it all happened to be online because of the COVID-19 situation. Geetam University sends an email where you have the facility to choose your own slot in the given days, which were like 3 days for me, and when I received the mail, I chose the second day of the interview because I was not familiar with the procedures. So I chose the second day of the interview, which was like 2 days later of the day I registered for the interview. After the interview procedure, I received a call from Geetam University in the next 2 days. telling me that I was shortlisted. And the next day, I received a mail congratulating me for getting into the Geetham University. Well, I still needed to write the exam because of this COVID-19 situation. The Geetham University had to hold the interview before the exam to make it easy for them as well as for us. But still, I was getting prepared for the exam because it was a compulsion. And according to the rules of the Geetham University, every student had to write the exam, which is the GOT. And if a person wants a scholarship or if he wants any type of privileges, he can go for this exam and gain the scholarship. Coming to the examination, I gave my GOT in the morning session. We had like around three slots, if I'm not wrong, the morning, afternoon, and the evening. So I gave it in the morning session because I really didn't want to have the stress around my head. So I gave it in the morning session because I wanted it to complete as fast as possible, and I gave my exam pretty well. Well, I will share all the subjects needed to study as well as the exam pattern and the subjects and all those information in my next video. Please stay tuned. Coming to the COVID-19 rules, yes, according to the situation, the Geetham University followed all the guidelines provided by the government, which was really important for the university to follow. And we had a very, it was pretty easy actually for us to log in and know about the university and the situation there. Coming from different states, coming from different areas and regions, it was pretty easy for us to know, and it was pretty easy for us to be updated about the situation there in our university. And they also made it very easy for the students to know about the university, and also it was very easy for contacting them. So I really felt it happy, and I also felt that they were quite attentive towards the students. So yes, that's it for today's video, and I hope this video was quite helpful for many of them. And also in my next video, I will come back with much more information about the university. Till then, keep watching and do subscribe to my channel.
Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more updates.